If there's one thing TeraFlex knows, it's the Jeeping lifestyle.
A lifestyle that includes every kind of off-roading imaginable, right down to a daily commute, in style. The new JL platform has some great advances in the suspension design.
Anyone can build a lift kit, but these new JLs are a whole new monster.
The new TeraFlex ST3 Suspension System, yeah, it's not just a lift kit. It's a complete system specifically designed and tested to complement and improve the way your JL handles and rides. Springs that stand straight and tall, and your choice of Falcon JL-specific direct-fit shocks are just a couple of the things that make the TeraFlex ST3 system stand out. Now, just like everything else that TeraFlex makes, always get a little extra. The ST3 will give you a full 3.5 inches of lift, making your tire size choices a bit larger.
TeraFlex has a suspension system for every type of driver. Get your rotary phone, because TeraFlex is dialing these puppies in.